Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is a crafty stamp code day. My Make kit just came in the mail, and I thought I would share it with you. As you can see, they still have their fantastic, cute little stickers that have your own special name on them. And the theme, if you probably guessed from the top for this month's, is not the North Carolina crafting retreat, although this is also run by Christina and Meadow. So if you're interested in more of a retreat setting, they do them every so often. You can also find it under events on the Crafty Stamp Co. website. But the actual theme is bakery things. So let us take a look at this quick. Just wanted to pull up info on what all the things are called so that I can call them what their correct names are. So, as usual, we get our two stamp sets. Let's just pull all this out. This is actually our bonus item this month, which is the red gingham ribbon and baker's twine. Very cute. Should work very nicely with our bakery theme. And then the first stamp set we get is this cute number involving a bunch of baking pig, and these are called the sous chefs. Some really nice sentiments here. I love that they always do such a nice mix of sentiments and other stuff. But I really like. I don't know. These remind me a lot of like Muppet Show pigs, actually, or the various things that pigs did. But they're super cute. I think they'll be fun to make scenes with. Whoops, sorry, I will move that because that is super bright because of the lights. And then we have the patisserie meadow. And then, as always, they have the names on the back too. And we see that or bakers for those of us who are not French, we have some really cute little things. We got some mixing bowls and a mixer if you want to make a scene. And then you have her. And the nice part about having a single character is you can see this is, a little more than 3 inches tall. So it really is going to give you quite a large character. Um, Christina also released some meadow with a bunch of macaroons that would be kind of fun to use with this if you happen to have that one as well. I do not, but just always like to throw out ideas. Then we have a really fun, almost like a frosting stencil, which is really neat, called damask. I guess it is a damask pattern. But this would be really nice to do like a soft tone on tone background behind our little figure. I think that would be kind of nice. Anyway, ideas for later. And then, of course, we have our paper and our cool paper holder, which I really love because uh, I am forever losing pattern paper. But let's take a look at the paper that we get. Get sort of a solid red, a really cute houndstooth teal, which is making me quite happy. Oh, it's a very small teal or houndstooth. I've had similar things that were larger, but this really will work nicely. It does have kitchen vibes. And then we have some little baker's hats. A very nice sort of, I think this would be a nice pattern. This is a nice pattern too, especially if you want something a little more busy. We have some rolling pins, and then I do like this whisk. I love that teal is a color here because I love teal, and I really like these dots too. I mean, this has almost like a 60s mod vibe to it. You could have her in her very fabulous 60s kitchen, and then on the back, we have our solids. We have our aprons, more of a dark. This would be a really good one. I think if you want more contrast in your background, and we also have a sandy color and some more subtle prints. So really, you can do anything you want. I do think these subtle prints would be really good if you wanted to actually ink the stencil on top of them, and then you could either use them as a whole sort of background, or you can always cut them up. And Lennox and his little paw is here. But anyway, that is what you get with your May kit. And Lennox has left the building. And this kit is on sale from April 1st to the 15th, and then ships in early May as all of them. You just get all of our pieces up here. Actually, let's look at the pretty side of the paper. There is the pretty side of the paper. Oh, and I didn't tell you what this one was called. It's called Sugar and Spice, which is fitting with the bakery theme. As you can see, like this gingham and the twine is going to work very nicely with all our little patterns here. So, oops, there we go. Now you can see them. The glare of lights when there's the acetate is still on all the stuff. But anyway, that is the make kit. I hope you pick one up, and if you do, let me know what your favorite thing in it is. Have a great day, and talk at you later.